Stop looking at the 1-minute chart. You're not a trader. You're a gambler with a Wi-Fi connection. Every morning you wake up, open your app, and pray the green candle goes up. You buy the top because some guy on TikTok with a rented sports car told you to. Then it drops 10% and you panic sell. You're trying to predict the future with wishful thinking. That's why your portfolio looks like a crime scene. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Bitcoin doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care about your student loans or your dream of buying a Tesla by next month. People fail because they treat crypto like a lottery ticket. They look at a static chart, draw a few random triangles on it, and call it technical analysis. That is not a strategy. That's astrology for guys who drink too much energy drink. You cannot predict a multi-billion-dollar asset using hope. The market is a machine driven by math, human greed, and massive whale wallets. If you aren't tracking the data, you are the exit liquidity. You want to predict the price accurately? Treat it like a science experiment, not a casino night. Fix it today in 3 steps. First, look on-chain. Stop watching price. Watch the plumbing. Track exchange inflows. When massive amounts of Bitcoin move onto exchanges, the whales are getting ready to dump. When Bitcoin leaves exchanges into private wallets, supply gets tight. Tight supply means price goes up. Second, map the macro. Bitcoin is just a high-risk tech stock in disguise. If the Federal Reserve is printing money and cutting interest rates, crypto pumps. If they tighten the belt, crypto bleeds. Third,
Visual Studio Code
your
is now the
edge.
file editor.
Stop guessing patterns. Use a simple Python script and a basic LSTM model. That's a neural network that reads time series data without emotional bias. Let the algorithm tell you the trend, not your gut. Imagine waking up 6 months from now. The market crashes 15% in an hour. Your friends are screaming on Discord. They're panicking. They're selling everything at a loss. But your heart rate doesn't even go up. You saw the exchange inflows spike yesterday. Your model predicted the local top 3 days ago. You already took profit and now you're sitting on cash, waiting to buy their panic at a massive discount. You're finally playing the game instead of letting the game play you. Turn off the hype videos. Close the 1-minute chart. Go open a data feed and learn how the plumbing works. Stop guessing. Start tracking. Go build your edge right now.